issued a special marine warning for. Fire Island
It's
Inlet
still
and Morges
going!
Inlet,
What
New
the
York,
heck?
out 20 nautical miles. Morges Inlet,
It
Montauk
literally
Point,
won't
New York, out
stop.
40 nautical miles. Taconic and Gardeners Bays,
Bro!
Long Island South Shore Bays, until 12:45
It's
a.m.
still continuing.
At 11:43 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located
God
along a
damn.
line extending from near Morges Bay to 21 nautical miles south of Morges Inlet, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated.
I have no idea what's
Impact,
happening.
small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Shinnecock Bay, Shelter Island, Great
Shelter
Peconic
Island.
Bay,
What
Little
is Shelter
Peconic Bay,
Island?
Shelter Island Sound, West Hampton Beach, Morges Inlet, Gardeners Bay, Shinnecock Inlet, and Morges Bay. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms.
Well, what is going
If
on?
caught on the open water state,
What the heck? It just cut off. Wait, what's going on? What just happened?
the National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for
That was
Western
weird.
Long Island Sound, Central Long Island Sound, until midnight. At 11:01 p.m., strong thunderstorms were
It just
located
said
along a
Central
line
Long Island
extending from
Sound
12
two
nautical
times.
miles northwest of Bridgeport to 6
What
nautical
was
miles
that?
northwest
What
of
was
Great
that?
South Bay, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be